Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode on Honor X9c. Well, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to settings. After that we're going to go to about phone, which is right here, you can see it. After that we're going to go to the build number. We're going to click on it several times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see now that the developer mode is enabled. So that's it, guys. That's how you enable the developer mode on Honor X9c. Thanks for watching. Make sure to press the subscribe button. Make sure to press the like button. Make sure to engage. It helps a lot. Thanks for watching and see you later.